How to use Melon diet for weight loss and sleep better. The Melon diet is perfect for the summer as the main food is fresh, healthy like almost everyone and has very few calories. With heat, a low-calorie diet based on this sweet fruit will allow you to lose weight without too much effort. The melon has, among other things, many properties. It contains a lot of water, so it allows the body to hydrate itself. It helps to fight stress according to some studies, and it is a valid help for tanning. It is rich in antioxidants, vitamins A and C, and mineral salts such as potassium and phosphorus. A fruit therefore with 1,000 benefits. It is thirst-quenching, refreshing and diuretic, but not only, it is ideal as a main food in a low-calorie diet as it has only 33 calories per 100 grams. As always for every diet, it is necessary to integrate a little of fitness exercises to be done every day, and above all to drink a lot of water, especially in view of the summer heat. Eat a melon before exposing yourself to the sun. In fact, the melon contains beta-carotene, which protects the skin from ultraviolet rays, and the vitamin C that is crucial in the production of collagen to keep the skin elastic and toned.